What's up mga kagrasya? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, kasama ulit natin si Gemna Ishtoy. Dahil today, mag-open ulit tayo ng parcel for Gemna. Say hi guys, baby. Hi guys. Let's do it. Agad na. Let's do this! Ta-da! This is a potty training, guys. Kasi, we're planning to start Gemna's potty training journey. That's why we bought this. Wow! This is from Shopee. Ang link ay ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below. Look, Gemna. Wow! May pa-freebie ang seller. Ano itong freebie natin? Lagayan ng shoes. May lagayan tayo ng shoes, Gemna. Ayan o. Pag magta-travel, may shoe pouch tayo. Shoe storage. Freebie lang to. Thank you, seller. Then, let's open it. Gemna, come here. Sabi mo nga. Sabi mo. Say. Open, say. Open, say. Open. Yay. Hands off. Be careful, Gemna. Are you excited? Excited ka si Gemna?
Yes, Mama.
Wow! Ano yan? Wow! What color is this? Pink! Very good! Great job! Kuha mo! Kuhain mo! Take it out! Hindi mo kaya? You need help? Wow! Ta-da! This is the potty trainer. Wow! Wow, Gemna! Sabi mo, hi guys! Sabi mo, potty! Potty! Dali! Sabi mo, potty! Potty!
Wow, thank you.
Wow! Wow! Look! Wow! May brush siya sa loob. Stickers pang design. And yung kanyang hawakan. Kasi meron siya dito. Hawakan. Wait lang! Ouch! Okay, dito ka. Dito ka. Ah. Excited? Excited si Gemna? Wow! Let's try it, Gemna. Let's try it. Oh, hindi yan pang teeth. Brush siya. Let's go. Let's try it. Potty! Potty! Just like Bean. Wow! May potty na yun si Gemna. Just like Bean. Wow! Diyan ka magpupupo at wiwi. Ha? Yay! Happy? Happy? Wow! Happy si Gemna. Happy.
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Wow! Look! It's a cow! Designan natin yung cow mo. Ayan o. Cow yan. Let's put the stickers. This one now. Let's put the sticker.
Wala ka tayo, ibiga mo kaya. Baba. Mas madali.
Para kita. Tada! This is the ice. Dito ka. Nakahanap ka eh.
Hindi mo kita sa camera. Ano mo kalahati lang ka.
This is the
nostrils.
ice. Wow! That's it for today's video, guys. Say bye, guys. Lalagay ko yung link sa description box below kung interested din kayo sa potty training na ito. Bye! Thanks for watching. Say bye. Bye. Bye ka, bye. Bye. Sabi mo, bye-bye, guys. Dali. Bye na. Bye, guys. Sabi mo, thank you po. Sabi mo, dali. Thank you po.